It's Friday, July 13th. I'm Jeff Fretz, and you're watching Axiory's News. The euro-dollar will continue in consolidation, and if it successfully retests the daily pivot, we can expect targeting at R1 resistance, where a further rise will be limited. However, if daily pivot will be limiting price, it will retest support S1 with a rebound and can continue in lateral movement. We are expecting a bullish trend. The dollar-yen will rise towards daily pivot and break above at target R1 support, where an upward rise will be limited and a short correction can be awaited. But if daily pivot will be a limiting factor, consolidation could be underway and price probably won't fall below S1. Another bullish trend today. The sterling dollar will be able to break above daily pivot and then it could approach resistance R1, but a rebound from daily pivot will retest the last low and then price will focus on support S2. But if price holds above S1, consolidation should be in favor. The summary of our indicators show a bullish trend. As our only bearish major currency pair today, the dollar franc is testing daily pivot now, and fall below will be indicating movement towards S1 support. A strong downwards move in this case could be limited at S2. But on the upside, if price holds above daily pivot, consolidation will continue and price will be limited at resistance R1. Today we start with figures from US, which were released at 1:30 p.m. GMT, and it will concern PPI, which is expected to improve slightly compared to the previous 1% fall. Analysts are expecting a fall today of only 0.5% and a high impact on the dollar. Also, US prelim consumer sentiment will be released at 2:55 p.m. GMT by the University of Michigan, will have a high impact on the dollar. It is expected to slightly improve from 73.2 to 73.5 points. During the day, there will be an Italian 10-year bond auction, which is expected to have a high impact on the euro. If we compare the previous auction, we could see deterioration in interest rate, which increased from 6.03 to 6.19%. And the bid to cover ratio fell to 1.3 while previous value was at 1.4. Now we begin our summary of the best traders and strategies here at Axiory available to you. Glimpsy for Euro Yen is holding at first place, while Tayo strategy, rising to 236.4 pips, was able to replace Glimpsy for Franc Yen, which fell to third position with its 296.2 pips. India rose to the top in multi-trader platform with 27.14% monthly gain, when FX multiplier fell by 4.67% in monthly gain. At third place, Low Risk Invest is holding and continued in slight increases to 24.90%. LW Trading and Trade Leaders fell by 61%, but remained at first place with 3,570%. Joining Jang also decreased, but only by 3%, and Whitestone Asset remained unchanged. And on this date in history, in 1930, the first ever Soccer World Cup competition begins in Uruguay. Have a great weekend. We'll see you on Monday.